Welcome to our tutorial on creating a Bootstrap carousel. In this video, we'll walk through the process of building a sleek image slider using Bootstrap, HTML, and CSS. First, we have our HTML structure. We're using the Bootstrap Carousel component, which includes a container for the slides and navigation controls. Inside the carousel, we have a set of slides defined by the carousel item class. Each slide contains an image with the dblock and w100 classes for responsiveness. With jQuery and Popper.js, we ensure smooth transitions between slides and responsive behavior. Finally, we include the necessary JavaScript libraries for Bootstrap to enable carousel functionality. And there you have it. With just a few lines of code, you can create a stunning image carousel for your website. Thanks for watching.